Hello guys, Kinara again, Kinara here. Today I just woke up, I just said that let me do some manual work in my banana plantation. So today I wanted to plant some another species of banana. You know, in this my farm I have two species of banana. This kind of species, the species which you can just store it in a cool, dry place and just wait for it to to ripe at a given temperature. So today I wanted to plant there's another cooking species. As you can see here, there's some banana trunks which they were destroyed by cows, as you can see guys. So today I've just dug two holes. This is the way we plant them. As you see, I've just dug here. There is a good sizable planting hole. There is another here, as you can see guys, and there is compost manure here. From this manure I do plant using manure, cow dung. I know a lot of you know cow dung. We just keep it to a given time so that it can form a very good compost manure. So as you can see guys, here I have a vast place. There's a vast space here where I can plant the species which I want to plant. I just want to show you the type of species which I'm talking about guys. In this shamba of mine, I told you I have two species of banana. There's this one. I've already told you about this kind of species. This is the type of banana which you just, when it is ready, as you can see, when it is ready, you just cut it, store it in a cool, dry place where at a given temperature within 2 to 3 days it is already ripe. You can just eat. But there's this kind of, to be specific, this kind of species, this one, as you can see guys, this is the type of which you can just cook. You can just peel it. When it is ready, you just peel it, fry it, cook it and eat. I know most of you know this kind of species. Now this is the type of banana which I want to plant there at a given place, because they are very rare. As you can see, the whole of my shamba I just have I think 2 or 3, so they are very rare here. So guys, after that you see there is a lot of weed. These places have not been plowed quite a while, so we have to clean out these weeds here for our shamba to be productive. So guys, thank you for your time. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, share. That's the kind of support you can give me guys. Thank you for your time. God bless you.